Namaste friends, welcome to Nepal Online School channel. As you are aware that we are going to start online yoga sessions. In this video, we are going to inform you about the duration of the session. As you know that there will be three categories of practice: asanas, breathing, and the divine sleep. So the duration for the practice of asanas is 75 minutes. Here we will first begin with subtle exercises and then we'll take up the postures. And then towards the end, some minutes of rest is very, very important, which at times we people don't pay attention much on those things. Then the second is about the breathing exercises. Those sessions will be of 40 minutes time. And then the divine sleep, which will be during the afternoon, it will be 60 minutes session. In the morning, we will have 3-hour session fragmented for the asanas, then again breathing, and then again asanas. In the afternoon time, around 2-3, we are going to conduct this divine sleep session. And again in the evening, between 6 to 8, one session on asanas and one session on breathing. You can pick the right time for your own practice, suitable as per your day plan. In the beginning, we should take up the practice, and later on we can shift to the time which is most suitable to us. In this video, just this much information. Thank you so much.